Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide the attendees while creating an event in Outlook Calendar for the new version. So open the new version app and go to the Calendar tab. Click on New Event, add the name, add the attendee, then set the other event details such as the time, the date, location, Teams link, and the description. Now, to hide the attendee list, go to the response option right here, click on the drop down, and you can see three options: request responses, allow forwarding, and hide attendee list. Click or check the attendee list. There we go. This will make sure that the attendees cannot see each other inside the invitation. After hiding the attendee list, review your event details. You can add optional attendees if needed. Once everything is set, save and send. Once everything is set, save and send the invitation. All attendees will receive it, but their information will remain private. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.